We're on a curve. This is a that was amazing.
Get rid of musty odors and excess moisture with Daprid.
So my closet is full of excess garage.
Oh, you're gonna laugh when you do that. We're about to drive into a store.
There's a storm a brewing.
Love nature, boys and girls. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
It's 11:11. Make a wish.
I wish. I can fly.
I wish I could teleport.
Yes, that's it. Well, no, because what if you just like want to hang out in the clouds?
You can teleport to a cloud.
Yeah, but you'll fall through. You can't fly. If you teleport to a cloud, you're gonna fall on your
You can
butt
like
and break it.
continuously teleport.
Just be like, we're about to pay for a toll.
The wind is picking up.
It is. This little car feels it all. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
She was so nice.
She was so nice. Did you see that? I have wings on the side of my head. So far, since our last update, we decided to do a collaboration with another YouTuber that lives in the area.
It's really dark.
Her name is Anna, and she's an excellent makeup artist, and her videos are super dope. Also, this past weekend, we were at a retreat for children, and we met this super awesome priest named Father Stan. He crazy, but I like him. Also, I am thinking of pursuing a career in juggling. I think it would be really great for me because I'm such a great juggler, you know? And I just think it would be amazing to go up on stage and just juggle the crap out of the juggles. I know, there was a time before I didn't know Jackie. Yeah. That is pretty weird. Jackie, let's explain our friendship. Jackie and I, contrary to popular beliefs, met less than a year ago. Almost a year, but I know, right? And a couple months into our knowing each other, she started to live with me. I think a week or two after we had just met, we were already talking like we'd known each other forever. Yeah. She loved me. You had to stop doing that. I got distracted by the person next door. Oh.
So pull me down if you want to, and I hope that you want to, 'cause I wanna be your man. I wanna say it loud.
People gotta jump to that.
to 8th grade Jackie's rebellious music. When Fall Out Boy broke up, I decided to rebel against them. And I listened to that.
Screw you, Fall Out Boy!
I love you.